Hello angels, welcome back to another video. We're going to be making a oh my god, I almost say resin purse. No, we're going to be making a Decoden purse. So the Decoden I got from Amazon. The clay doll I got from Etsy, so I'll leave the link for it down in the description box down below. The charms that I'm using right here, the bees and the flowers and the bumblebee, I got that from Amazon. And the purse, I think I got it from probably Shein or Amazon. I'll find it and leave the link for it down in the description box down below. But it's so cute. And that's pretty much all you're going to need. You're going to need your scissors and lace ruffle trim. That's pretty much it. So the first thing I'm doing is removing the plastic off of the bag, because obviously we don't want that on there. It was stick on there so well. I had to be peeling it off, but eventually I got it, making sure that the surface is nice and clean. And it is, so amazing. Open it up so you guys can see how the bag is looking. It can open and close. Obviously, it's just like in a normal bag. So next thing I'm going to do, what's the next step? Oh, this is the lace trim that I was telling you guys about, the ruffle lace trim. So I'm going to be adding it around the edge of the purse. I thought that would be a cute idea. I still think it's a cute idea. It's very, very cute. Now I'm just debating how this is going to look. Should I do it? Should I not do it? So the first thing I'm going to do with my X-Acto knife, I'm going to make some marks on the purse so that the Decoden can stick on there properly. Just going up, down, side to side, making small ones, big ones. Just going over it a few times. So that's what we're doing. Just scratching up the bag so that everything can just attach on there perfectly. I see some people do this, and I kind of like it. Dun, 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 dun. Are we finished? Yes. Oh, I almost forgot. You can either use your E6000 glue. That's what I do. That's the glue that I usually use. Or you can just use your hot glue gun. I decided to just use my hot glue gun to just glue everything together. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And fast forward the video. So my hot glue gun, I'm just going to go around the edge and then just place the lace trim, the lace ruffle trim on top and press down on there. And you know that with the hot glue, it takes like 2 seconds for it to dry. So perfect. And the camera just fell. Place it on there and make sure that you press down on there properly so you can feel the heat of the glue underneath your fingers. That's what I always do. I'm just going to go all the way around the edge of the bag and press down on there. Make sure you press down on there good. Make sure that you're being very fast with this. In like 2 seconds, this thing is dry. And that's not cool. Then after I finish, then I'm just going to cut off the extra fabric because you don't need it. And then we can start decorating everything. This scissors is so dull, it's not even trying to cut it. Eventually it did. I've had the scissors for years. Really should get some new ones. And voila, you can see how it looks. This kind of make a heart. So adorable. So after adding on there the lace trim, we can start adding on there the Decoden. Dun, 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 dun. I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing. So I add on in there a little bit of the tube. So I had a little bit of some clear glitter ones that was actually finishing very soon. So I just place it in the center. There's nowhere else to add it. So now I'm just going around the edge and in the center with some white. You just place it down and you just push it for it to come out. And then it sticks on there pretty good. So I didn't have enough white, so I had to add on in there a little bit of some different colors. This tube thing was so tiny, like just like that it was finished. Like that's so crazy it was. Dun, 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 dun. I think this only gives you like 2 squeeze before the whole container is empty. Just going over everything with more of the glitter and white or clear. And this is when I realized that I had finished out everything, so I had to go find a different color. Unfortunately, the Decoden did not come with any yellow, because if it did have some yellow, I would have just went with some yellow and some white. But I went for the closest thing that kind of looked like yellow. This looks kind of orangey, like a light orange or like a peach color. So I'm filling up all the little spaces that I miss or places that did not miss. Just trying to make sure I add all of the colors together. Now I can just place on there my clay piece, and it fell, but that's fine. We're going to cover up. I'm going to try to cover up all my little mistakes. So now I'm adding on there my flower, my bees, every little thing on there. And the best thing about these flowers and bees, they came in different sizes. You have the big, you have the small, and you have the medium. 3 sizes for everything in different colors. And I try not to put like the same colors together too often. You can see that on the clay doll, it does have Winnie the Pooh on her shirt. So it's like bees, flowers. Might bring everything together. Dun, 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 dun. I sped up this video like if I'm moving very fast, but nope. Just taking my little time. And while doing this, I forgot that the charm pieces came with little ladybugs. So after I finished, I was like, oh, okay, this looks cute. And then I saw the ladybugs. I was like, oh yeah, I can add these on there as well. So there's still like some little rooms. So I'll just place it on there. And make sure to press down as well. And that's it. That's pretty much it. Make sure to cover it up as best as you possibly can. I think this looks pretty cool. It looks so cute. Probably gonna do the same thing to the back as well, but I don't have any more charm pieces. Well, yes, I do have some more charm pieces, but or just leave it at the front. Who knows? So I have some charm pieces left over, and this is how everything looks. It looks absolutely amazing. It's stunning. It is so cute. I love it. So this takes up to 24 to 48 hours for it to dry. So I'm just let it sit and dry on its own. And here you guys go. This is how it looks. You can see how much it takes for me to just cover up this bag. And there's just a slower look of it. She looks so pretty. Like everything just looks so good. I like it. Giving myself a pat on the back. Okay, this is how she looks outside in the sun. She looks amazing. This is set for 24 to 48 hours. It's going to become hard, not very squishy. I like it. She looks so cute. You can see that and remove all the plastic from this bag. Hopefully I don't drop it. Got it. This is how it looks. I should probably do something to the back because I do have some of the charms that are still left over. Oopsie, sorry for all the noise. Here is a better view. More into the sun. This is how she turned out. This is so cute. So adorable. Okay, this is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Look at how adorable it is.